Gold traded bearish for the day, hitting the lows at 28.77. Remember, I have mentioned that we are looking forward to bearishness and we can expect 28.78.80 should be a very good support. So far, we have seen it respecting the levels, while silver so far has traded in range on the downside 31.40.60 zone, proven out to be a greater support, and on the upside 32 is never breeze. So what to expect now from US session? And before the US session, we have little data which is going to get released from US, and that will also bring the volatility. Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit, we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. What's happening on the hourly charts for gold? You can find out the dip here, then another round of dip retracement, and again it is taking a dip here. It is trying to create a bearish channel here. The lows here could be at around 28.74.70 zone, possibly. If it breaks now below 28.80.78, certainly you can look forward to a bearish momentum here. At the same time, on the upside now 28.94.96 should be a good resistance, or rather I will say 28.94.98 should be a very good resistance. Prices are trading with little divergence from 20 period, calls for it to converge, but it is not showing any signs of bullishness as of now. If you look at the stock, I see this is retraced here, trading comfortable, while the MACD on the hourly charts is trading sharply bearish, looking downwards. See, earlier we have seen it retracing, and look at the waves: first wave, then retracement, second wave, then retracement, and this is the third wave which is continuing here. And possibly this should culminate soon, because see, if you look at the larger move here, this is the larger move. This is done, and now if it breaks out, if it reverses, we're gonna see a stronger rise. The momentum right now is not so supportive for such an aggressive reversal. RSI coming out of the oversold zone here. Coming to 2-hour charts, when you look at the 2-hour chart, see, notice the preceding two candles. You can see the preceding candle specifically closing at the bottom, suggesting continuation of momentum here. But at the same time, when you look at the formation here, you can find out that it has achieved higher highs, which suggested that there was a support coming in from the downside, which gold has respected, and with that as support, it is trying to bounce back. So now it is very, very important for gold to break beyond 28.94.98 zone. If it breaks beyond this, you can expect that 29.06.08 zone to get achieved here. Yes, if it breaks beyond 28.94.98, we can look forward to a good rise here. Now see, notice the formation here: drop, retracement, another round of drop, and it has created slightly lower lows. And if you connect the dots here, you will find that it is trading in this channel, which is a bearish channel anyways, and the highs of this channel now towards 29 10, 29, 15 levels, which should be the highs here. I do not expect it to move towards that, but yes, a little retracement is possible all the way towards 29 0406 is possible, and in fact low high. But right now the momentum is not so supportive for such aggressive bullishness. Stock, I think, definitely is oversold, which calls for it to retrace. Look at the MACD trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards, not a good sign here as well. RSI coming to oversold level. So things are getting oversold here for gold, but it is too early to conclude that we are looking forward to a reversal, because see, when it was bullish, it is consistently traded bullish, creating higher highs, and now for the last couple of days we have seen slight bearishness. So it is possible that it can continue with this momentum here. Look at the 3-hour chart, see the drop here, then the retracement, then the drop, and now if it tries to bounce back, it may try to come back towards this and trade like this here, where the highs could be at around 29.06.08 zone. That should be a greater resistance on the upside if it tries to retrace from the current levels. Stock, I think, definitely is oversold. The MACD trading with sharp divergence, sharp bearishness, looking downwards, and the RSI is at bottom as well. Coming to 4 on the 4-hour chart, similarly, see, if you notice the formation here, see, I just ignored one greener candle here, then it will be a 3 candle formation, then the retracement, then a 3 candle formation, and then there could be a retracement here. Possibility exists that we may see a little up move here. How high it can go, see, bullishness or reversal confirmation in gold is only and only if you see it staying above 29.20. 22. As long as it stays below 29.20.22, do not treat this as bullish here. The moving average is crossing over here indeed is a bearish sign, and this is a very good sign that now gold prices might try to stay in a sell zone, and thus we can initiate, you can say, sell the rise thing, where till 29.20 we should always be on sells. Beyond 29.20 is where the bulls will be taken. The stock, I think, here has come to an oversold zone. The MACD trading sharply bearish, looking downwards. The RSI is also coming to the bottom here. Coming to the now, when you see the daily chart, see, first of all, after a while now, gold prices is trading below 20 period moving average. Now, this also suggests that if it closes below 20 period moving average and specifically below 28.78, and then the support levels next comes into picture at around 28.60.50, if these two levels are taken, we can look forward to the next move all the way towards 28.20 or lower levels. Yes, if it closes below 20 period, the chances will be high that the next pull is going to take it all the way towards 50 period moving average. Here possibilities is high. We have seen stronger bullish momentum for multiple weeks in gold, and now it has taken the bearish side, it has taken the sell side, and thus it may continue with this for a while from here. Though I can notice if it closes a low above 20 period here, then you can say now I think we are seeing the support here, and the possibility of a bounce back cannot be denied. Couple of bearish candle does not mean a reversal here. Stochastic looking downwards, the MACD. Now look at the MACD crossing over here at the top, trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards, and see it has lot much of a scope on the downside available. Look at this. We have seen a stronger rise. Stronger the rise, stronger the fall, sharper the fall, and it is trading with wide open mouth, suggests more bearishness here. And thus, as I said, till 29.20 every rise is an opportunity for us to sell. RSI looking downwards, which is again a bearish sign. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy. And if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a SWIFT-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So first thing is where to buy. I'll only recommend you to buy if you see it is staying above 28.94 levels, expect 28.98 the next target, and if it stays above 28.98, we can expect 29.0508 levels the next target zone. Beyond 29.0508 is where the bulls will be taking over. I can expect 29.14.16. Beyond that 29.20.22, and I do not expect it to break beyond 29.20.22. Little retracement does not mean a reversal, and thus 29.20.22 is going to remain critical for the day. On the downside, now the selling entry should be at around 29.8078 levels. If you see it staying below 29.8078, you can stay short for 28. All the levels are in 28. So if you see it staying below 28.7880 levels, you can expect a sell all the way towards 28.72 first, and then below that 28.72, chances will be high that we may see 28.60 levels the next target zone. Beyond 28.60, it's directly going to land at 28.52 and 28.40 levels here. Again, right now the momentum is very much in support for the top, but not without a retracement, and hence the swing can be expected here. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to silver on the hourly charts. After the dip here, trading in a zone, trading in a very narrow zone on the upside, failing to break beyond 32, on the downside 31.60.40. These are the levels where we are going to see either the maximum support or the resistance. Very, very important for silver to break beyond $32 in order to confirm its next move towards 32.20. And if that is taken, you can look forward to a further rise all the way towards 32.50 levels. But I can say it is too early to conclude with that. Right now the momentum is zero. You can see the prices are staying in a box. Let it come out of this box. Any drop below 31.60.40 is the only sign of bearishness here. Likewise, on the 2-hour charts, notice the formation here. See, first rise, then the drop here, then second rise, then the drop here. Slightly higher lows are seen, slightly higher highs are seen. It is trading in this retracement channel. The resistance now on the upside, first at around 32 and then at around 32.2025. These are going to be the critical levels for silver to break past by. Else what's happening? Drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, and it may continue in this bearish channel, and thus breaking below 31.60.40 is where the bears will take over completely. Stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI rising. Signs are supportive here for further rise. Coming to the 3-hour charts, what's happening? Look at the last few candles. You can see higher lows here, and you can also notice the critical resistance it is getting from around 31.90, $32 levels. Thus, it is clear that we are only going to buy now if you see silver trading above 32. That is the only level above which you can say that the bulls are taking over. But notice, after forming the good base here at 31.60, prices are looking forward to an up move, and this is the third greener candle which might stay in green, which means a little retracement and a rise on the upside cannot be denied at the current levels. Yes, the stochastic is rising. The MACD also has crossed over at the bottom, trading with divergence, which is a very good sign for the bulls here, and the RSI is rising, which is again a very good sign for. On the 4-hour charts, notice the formation. See, one red candle, then a greener, and a swing with diminishing body size. So greener, which is current, can be greener one, and then we have to wait for it to break beyond 32 and 32.2025. This zone on the upside is getting critical here for silver to break beyond, and if it does break beyond this, you can expect 32, 45, 50 levels at the next targets. Right now I can see it is consolidating. Stochastic has dropped. The MACD has crossed over at the bottom. Trading with moderate bullishness suggests silver might continue here on the upside with the retracement. RSI is rising. Coming to daily. On the daily charts, notice, see what it has done so far for the day. It has formed a double bottom here, and now it is willing to turn green. Willing to turn green means it is willing to trade beyond 32. Now once it trades beyond 32, we can expect a reversal here. 32 20 25 and 32 40 50 should be there very soon, because see, straight bearish candle, three bearish candle in succession, this could become reversal and this will become the first greener candle here. So let's watch out. At the same time, a drop below 3160. When I say 3160, the higher price has to be below 3160, and then you can expect 3150 40. Now this complete zone between 3160 and 40 is going to remain a stronger support zone. Stochastic here has dropped. The MACD, if you look at it, is crossed over at the top, and it is trading with divergence looking downwards. See, it is looking downwards, which suggests more bearishness ahead. As you can notice, after the drop it is retraced and now looking downwards, so it possibly is looking forward to the bottom here. RSI has dropped as well. So considering this, now I will only recommend you to buy if you see silver trading above 32, and then you can expect 32 2025 as the first target. Till 32 2025, I can say any point of time prices may reverse. I can say any point of time silver will turn bearish. So till 32 2025, you have to be careful with the buys. Beyond 32 2025, stay bullish for 32 40 50, and if that is taken, then stay bullish for 32 80, chances of which appears to be less. However, these are markets. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 3150 levels. When you see the higher price below 3150, you can take a selling entry. Below this, you can expect 3130, 3120 as the first target zone, and then 3095 as the second. Below 3095, stay short for 3075, 3050 as the next targets. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. A great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you. Do not miss to watch the next update tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session. Have a great profitable trading day again.